Noah, go first. 60 seconds on the clock in 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Beatbox.
Just trying to find something to. Just trying to find something to.
And switch.
I'm lost in this sound, can't find my way out. I'm rocking out now, I'll turn this around. I'll bring to this round the fire in my mouth. I'll break you down, I'll break you down. I'll break you down. Break you down, I'll break you down, I'll break you down. Break you down.
And switch. And time. Switch.
Begin calibration. Too much distortion. Drop it. No. I am distortion.
Oh, and that was
Let's
our
go!
semi-finals. JP seeing his students pull up his rounds, like their rounds against each
Love
other.
to the both of you. Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
I'm doing heart signs right now if my camera's on. Yeah.
So, judges, are you ready? We're gonna have 1 for Noah and 2 for Revert. 1 for Noah and 2 for Revert. In 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, with a split decision, it's going to Noah. Noah's going to the finals, and Revert is joining Sabotage in the small finals. They meet again, and we got a rematch, a double rematch of Dex and
Wait.
Noah.